Okay. Leah and Ella playing on their play gym. Leah's finally looking at herself in the mirror, so she's trying to talk to herself. It's April 4th already. I think she's trying to prove to herself that that's her in the mirror. Right, Leah? Who's that baby in the mirror? Who's that baby? Yeah. Don't cry. And here's Ella. She's playing with her little horsey. She's not really interested in the play gym. She's kind of tired. So loud, Lily. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. You can touch it. Go ahead, try and reach it. Try and reach it. Ella wants her toy. This is their second time on the play gym. The first time they're actually kind of looking at it though. Just looking right at the mirror there. Maybe we'll get a different one that has blinking lights. I think they'll like that one better. Leah! Leah! Who's that baby in the mirror? Huh? Who's that baby in the mirror? Can I see you in there? No? Oh, there you go. You almost reached it. She's a little frustrated. There you go. Look at you hitting it. It's Ella's noises she makes. Oh, who's that? What happened? What's the matter, Ella? Okay, I think you guys are getting hungry now. It's almost 2 o'clock. So we're gonna stop playing and we'll come back later. Say bye.